What's going on YouTube? It's Crazy Gaming Monkey here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Rock Band 4 guitars on the Xbox to Fortnite Festival. The update is finally here where you're able to use your guitars, but it was a bit tricky for me at first, so I'm here to help everybody else out. And if you found this video helpful, smash like, smash subscribe, and as well as use my creator code, as I would appreciate it a lot, which is Skibro. But let's get into it. So what first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and connect your guitar to your Xbox. So you want to go ahead and turn it on, make sure it's already synced and it's connected. And once it is, you're gonna have this issue. As you can see at the bottom, where it says login, it turned into the yellow fret, the yellow button. But I'm unable to move with the arrow keys or the strum. So it's pretty tricky. Sometimes if you do connect your guitar and you're able to navigate with the arrow keys, then pretty much you're all set and you could jump into the game right away. But if you're having this issue like me, what you do want to do is you actually want to click hold to log in. For some reason, I don't know why it did this glitch, but you want to go ahead and make sure that you're signed into your own profile. And then it's going to have this like error button. So what you want to do is go ahead and with your regular controller, you want to hold Y, take control. And now, for some reason, you are able to navigate. As you can see, I'm using the arrow keys and I am navigating, and you could tell that this is on the guitar because it's showing the green button. As if I moved it to the controller, it's showing the regular A button. So right here, everything changes to the guitar buttons, and if I use the controller, it switches back. So it's that simple. You just want to log in with the guitar, you want to hold yellow, it logs in, and on the controller you got to take control back and you're all set. So right now we're going to go ahead and test it out. We're going to do no fill, just so you guys could see. And it's best to use your controller to navigate because you still have to move around and stuff, and you pretty much just want to grab your guitar once you're ready to play any song. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that is pretty much it. That's all the steps that you need. Is you need to log in through the guitar. As a second player, log into the same account that you're logged into as your first player account. We're going to open the menu. We're going to just do that. And right here, you want to click RB all the way to where it says Pro Lead or Pro Bass. So you could choose whichever difficulty you want with the B button. And you want to make sure that if you do want to use a guitar, it has to be these, the Pro Lead or the Pro Bass. If you do regular bass or regular lead, it's going to go through your regular Xbox remote. But if you do the pros, any of the pros, then it's going to ask you to switch to your guitar, and you're able to use it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you right about now. So there I am. We're going to test this out together so that way you guys could see. So if you're not able to navigate the Fortnite menu through the arrow keys at the beginning, as you can see, it's being detected now. And that is all. So thank you so much for watching. Remember folks, smash like, smash subscribe, and share this to your friends that are having trouble setting this up. It's that easy. And I appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure to use creator code Skibro in the shop right here. Support creator code, as it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day, amazing week, and I'll catch you on the next one. It's Crazy Gaming Monkey. Peace.